Welcome to another YouTube video showcasing toys from the 60s and 70s. What you see here today is the Mattel Switch and Go. It's a battle set with 2 military tanks. This toy was sold in the mid-60s. What was unique about this toy is that the tanks that you see on the box rode on these thin tubes of yellow plastic that you would lay on the floor. You take a look at the tank, powered by a D cell. This little roller guides along on the tracks. You have a little target on the back of the tank that you would set, and when it was struck, would cause the tank to flip onto its side. Each tank was loaded with 2 missiles. And there you have a tank ready for combat. Now, another unique feature of these Mattel Switch and Go sets was the activation of switches using this air pump. Now, this air pump would connect with these yellow tubes. Here what we have is an example of the firing switch. Connect one in here. Connect another length of tube, and then when you squeeze the handle, the switch is activated purely by air. There is a flipping switch that would cause the tank to flip onto its side by activating the target on the back, and there is another switch, just like a little railroad track, that would cause it to go either left or right depending on whether you activated the switch. Couple little nifty cardboard cutouts of destroyed tanks were on there. All in all, very nice set. You got 2 tanks with the set. You got a black one and an orange one. Each one had 2 missiles, and they chase each other around on the set. What I've done is I've gone ahead and set up some track on the floor, and let's see how these things perform. And this is the trigger that when I squeeze the air pump will cause the tank to explode. And this is the trigger that when you squeeze the air pump, you can see it going up and down. When the tank rides over this, the rocket will fire out of the tank.